Hello guys, welcome to review right now. iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max models are suffering from a user problem that causes horizontal lines to flash across their displays. Apple has now confirmed the issue and revealed it is working on a fix. In an internal Apple memo seen by Mac Rumors, which I have verified, the company admits that customers may report that when they power on or unlock their phone, they briefly see horizontal lines flash across the screen. Crucially, Apple has ruled out a hardware flaw that may have prompted a recall, saying in the memo that it is aware of the issue and a software update is coming soon that will resolve the issue. When is coming soon? The obvious answer would appear to be iOS 16.3. which is currently in beta testing, but that seems unlikely. This major update has only just entered its second public beta, and Apple typically releases 4 to 6 betas as well as a release candidate before launch. Consequently, I would not expect iOS 16.3 to arrive before late February. More likely is iOS 16.2.1. While iOS 16.2 was relatively stable, there are still bugs from the troubled iOS 16 launch, which Apple is addressing in a series of minor point releases. It is rare for Apple to publicly beta test minor point updates, so a dedicated fix could launch as soon as the company is ready. In a new report, Mac Rumors states that a plethora of bugs are being reported by iPhone owners running iOS 16, a number of which are specific to the iPhone 14 range. This includes sluggish keyboard response, camera freezes, user interface glitches, and more. The report links to numerous Reddit, forum, and social media complaints. Mac Rumors also points to comments by a trio of comments by influential tech YouTubers whose tweets about iOS 16.2, the latest version of iOS 16 and iPhone 14 models picked up considerable momentum over the last 48 hours. More and more people keep telling me all the issues with iOS 16.2, tweeted Aaron Zolo of Zolotech. Hope we get a major bug fix soon. Hearing this more each day. A poll by Riley Tech found 44% of iPhone owners reported more app crashes since updating to iOS 16.2, while Tom the tech chap Honey Ants tweeted, and my iPhone 14 Pro Max is far the buggiest iPhone I have used in a long time. It is just me, iOS 16.2. and received hundreds of responses confirming his suspicions. Apple has work to do, and with iOS 16.3 still weeks away from release, I would expect the release of iOS 16.2.1 sooner rather than later. The iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max have had a buggy start to life. For those keeping count, you can add this display problem to a list that includes iMessage and FaceTime activation issues, CarPlay, data migration, and iCloud bugs, shaking camera lenses, random restarts, lock screen and dynamic island glitches, and excessive battery drain. With exciting iPhone 15 leaks already appearing, anyone still sitting on the fence may prefer to push their upgrades a generation. But for iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max owners, at least you know the latest in a long time of fixes is not far away. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.